what would you say your top 4 tips are for healthy eating this holiday season?
Top 4. So in no particular order, and I'll keep count on my hands. And these are just my personal rules. Number 1 is don't eat store-bought processed desserts or sides. I want to focus on things that people have made specifically for this meal. And that just makes them inherently better for you. Number 2 is I try to stay active in the kitchen. I find that if I help with food preparation, and whether it's dishwashing or helping the kids out, I tend to not overeat, because same thing, I'll just sit in front of a charcuterie board and go to town. Number 3 is be mindful. So pay attention to how much you're eating, and try to be present in the moment and enjoy it, but also cognizant of, am I eating for no reason? Should I wait 20 minutes to get full? And probably 4 is stay active. The holidays are a time that most of us have a little bit more free time. We're with people we don't usually see. There's all kinds of fun turkey trots and jingle bell runs, and get outside and do an event or something.